Hey guys, this is Luke from Billions Platinum. I got a quick one for you today. This is a great way to stay engaged with projects that have appeared since the last time you logged into the exchange. This is a question we often get: what's new? What's the new projects? So this report will only show up if there are new projects since the last time you logged in. So if you log in, then log out, and then log back in right away, most likely this report won't be available to you. But this report, if it is available, will appear up in the top right. It says project added since Luke Hudson last logged in, and then it's got the number 6. So there are 6 projects since the last time I logged in. And if I click on this link, if it's available, it'll show me what those 6 projects are. So it's a great way for me to stay engaged. If it's been a day or so since the last time I signed into the exchange, this is a great way to click and find out what you missed since the last time you logged in. There's another way you can kind of do something similar. It's under settings and info. You can go to daily projects. This will show you the projects in the last 3 days that are new to the exchange. But if you're just curious, what's new since last time I logged in, just look for this link up in the top corner. That's all I got for you today. Thanks.